It's kind of surreal. You sort of forget what an operating mine looks like because we have been in care and maintenance for a while now. It's great, it's awesome, everyone's loving it. And to see the guys back out in the pit and working again, doing what they're supposed to be doing is the best feeling ever. There was a lot of years, of uncertainty for the guys, and everybody on site kept the faith. People had to go away and had to, keep bread on the table for their families, but the opportunities arisen for the people to come back and be part of a team again and be part of a family.
Well, I think it just shows how important, mining is to Australia, really. It's showing that there's so many areas that it does support. It comes with most of the wealth that Australia actually generates. So I think it just shows the livelihoods that feeds off to so many people with jobs, their families and their homes and security is so much involved in it.